Hey lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am doing a little unboxing just for two plants that I ordered from Land of Alice. I've ordered from them before. I think I bought a neon pothos. Sadly the plant is no longer with me. That's more of my fault. Kind of learning my area and found out that anything pushed in like the second row back, I need a grow light or I just don't need to put anything back there. So I kind of lost a few plants there, but I haven't ordered a new plant since I think my wish list plant, possibly. I think that was the last time I ordered a plant. So I am going to just show you guys what I got from Land of Alice, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's get in. So this is the size of the box. Again, I am doing this on my carpet. I don't know why when I know that dirt could possibly be a problem, but it is what it is. Oh, that's a cute sticker. Yay for plant mail. I like that. You guys can see that. I like that. That's cute. And it's packaged pretty nice. Get my brush off of there. So it's packaged pretty nice. I just, oh, yep, I'm gonna have some dirt to clean up, but that's fine. Ooh. Oh. Crap. Oh, let me turn this sideways. Apparently one is let me show you guys. So one is taped from the top here, and I'm assuming the other one, yep, the other one is the other way. That's why this kind of has dirt everywhere, but no problem. My angle probably changed for that. I apologize, but it is what it is. Start with the, oh, I mean, she taped it really good, so especially saying that there's two different plants in here, I really like that. Got it in the box. It's so pretty. So basically I just ordered another Micans. I absolutely love this plant. The one I currently have is just thriving, and then when I went on the site, I actually came mainly for the purpose of ordering the other plant. Saw this one, I was like, you know what, we're just gonna go ahead. This is like one of my favorite plants. It's a fast grower. Absolutely love it. So it's packed with damp tissue. Shipping was really quick. I think she shipped it out maybe Saturday. I think that's when I got the confirmation email. Either Saturday or Monday she shipped it out. And today is Thursday, so sorry, I'm having like some camera issues because, you know, I would think I would just put up a tripod, but no, we're just gonna make a makeshift one, so whatever. But this is her. She already has some vines coming off. We got some offshoots, a lot of new growth. I am excited. She looks healthy. We're gonna quarantine her, and that is the first plant I got from Land of Alice. Okay, so the second plant, I actually tried to order from another shop earlier this year. So if you saw my, I think I did it on Instagram. I don't think I made a video for it, but I ordered from this shop. The first plant I got was not what I was expecting. The listing showed showed a fuller plant than what I got, so I was disappointed in that. They said they were going to send a new one with my second order because I had already ordered before I got in the plant, and I never received the second order. I reached out like a month and a half later. They're like, okay, we'll see if we can find it. Granted, it was around the time the Postal Service was like really losing its mind, but never got it. Never got the replacement plant, never got the actual plant I ordered, so I kind of gave up. And then I've been trying to buy this plant on other sites, but then a lot of them were like either way too expensive and or they only did local pickup because they're like the plant is too big. So when I saw this one on Alice and I just happened to catch the restock, I was like, yeah, but this is happening. They taped these really well to one, the box, and then also the paper. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all the tape first. So the second and last plant that I got was the whale fin. I have been wanting these again since that original purchase and just couldn't get my hands on one. It's already has a little baby sprout coming up. You guys can see that. It already has like a little baby coming up. It's a little smushed a little bit, but should be fine. I am so happy for this. I've been wanting a whale fin. I just love snake plants. I pretty much have like a collection all around this room, and then this one spoke to me. It's funny, I also saw that they had, actually I don't know if it was this shop or another shop, but they had the shark fin. But I don't really like that one. I think because me it's like too pointed. I like this one. I like the curviness and waves of this one. So yeah, these are the two plants that I got. The Micans, philodendron Micans, and then the Sansevieran snake plant. Whale fin already has a baby in there. They both ship pretty well. A little bit of fuzz on this one, but it's on the air over it, so I know that's nothing bad. It's just that there was probably too much moisture in the box when it was shipped. So yeah, I'm gonna put these babies in quarantine for like the next week or two, and then I'll add them to my collection. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little plants unboxing, seeing as I'm not really purchasing any more plants, which is very nice. I'm happy that my initial urge to buy every single plant I see has subsided. I've found my favorites. I am going to do an update to the collection. I've gotten rid of some plants. I've gotten a few new plants. So I just want to show you guys where I'm at and where I probably will stay until next spring, where I try to either buy more or try my hand in propagating a little bit more. So I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to know when I upload new plant videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.